Question 44 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question, that's your UTME CBT exam. It says the cumulative frequency curve above shows the distribution of scores of 50 students in an examination. Find the 36 percentile score. Alright, in finding percentile, percentile and quartile interquartile ranges are just division of data into several parts, into several points. Okay, the easiest way, I love solving this, is just try to divide your right hand, okay, vertical axis into percentage points. Like from here, our cumulative frequency, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The highest percentage point on this 50 mark will be what? 100%. Okay, so if this is 100%, let's try to divide all these other points. So it means we have how many points left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be 20, this would be 40, this would be 60, this would be 80. So into 20 division, okay, to get up to 100%. All right, so this is 80%, this is 60%, 40%, and 20%. All right, so this is 20, this is 40, 60, 80, and 100. Now it says we should find what the 36 percentile score. So where is the percentile? Where would 36 fall? 36 is going to fall somewhere here. All right, 36 is going to fall somewhere here. So we can trace this down now to the curve. My line is not too straight. Trace this down to the curve. Okay, when you trace this down to the curve, you can see it stops here. Then take this particular, trace it down now to the score, the percentage score, where the marks are, not the cumulative frequency. All right, so take this down here. So we have here, so this is in between, this is like 20 something, 29, 28. Okay, so we can say this point is like 28. So this is an answer will fall in between what, 20 and 30. So you can find, if you see your option here, you can see we have 18, we have 28, which is an answer. You have 36, which is not. You can see you have 50. So our right option here is option B, which is what, 28%. So you remember what I just said. So divide. All you need to do is check your right hand vertical axis, and divide them into what percentage points, where your highest percent will be what, 100. It must be 100. We're talking of percentile. Then from here we trace down the particular percent you're looking for. If it's 80%, 60, but our question says our 36 what percentile score. So this is our 36 percentile. Then go down to get the score, which will fall in between what, 20 and what, 30. So our right option here is option what, B, which is what, 28%.